Hello, welcome to Welding Certification Program. In this video, I would like to show one of our major topic, which is the reports. And I just want to show how the reports work because we all know in the business, we always would like to create the reports and share with our manager or print it out or check on certain things. So let's go ahead and dig in. To log into the new system, I have created a video and added in the description below. So once you open up a browser and you enter the URL, the test URL, enter the username, which is your email address, and the password, and click login, you should be able to log into the new system. Basically, you land up on the home page where you see messages from the WCP admins or National Training Funds admins, anything related to the WCP system. So you can see the tabs on the left hand side. We already have discussed in our previous videos about the welding program tabs, but for reports, since it's a huge topic or huge feature, we have created a separate tab for reports. So let's go ahead and click on reports. And once you click on the reports, you will see all folders, and we have a folder named WCP, which is our main or major folder, which will contain all the subfolders and the reports. So let's go ahead and click on the WCP folder, and you will see there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subfolders are opened up. So every folder will have their own reports. So based on the name, we will see the reports accordingly. So again, once you're in all folders, you open up a WCP folders, and then you will see 5 subfolders. So I will go into one by one folder and show you how the reports works. So the first folder we have is the certifications folder. So let's go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you will see all the reports in our certifications folder. And the first report we have is a new created. As the name applies or says, these are all the new certifications created. So let's go ahead and click on this report. Once you click on that report, right now there's no records found because we need to set up the filters. So it's a preset filters for today's date. Since there was no certifications created today, we won't be able to see any records on that. So let's go ahead and click on and change the time frame. So first thing is show only is new, and then we're going to leave the confirmed status as any. Basically over here you can see new, renew, and pending, but for right now we're going to leave it as new. And then you can see certifications created on, and we can have 3 options for time frame, whether you can do it for a particular day, a month, or a custom date range. For this example, we'll use custom date range. Once you do that, you can go ahead and change the date range. So we're going to go ahead and look it up from March 1st till now. How many new certifications were created from starting in last month till now? So let's go ahead and click filter button here. Since we have set up all the filters, now all you do is you click the filter, and you will see all the new certifications those were created starting from March 1st till now. And you can see the created dates, you can see the expiration dates, which is always for year from the creation date, and the members information. Again, this is a test data, so all we are using this is for test purposes, but basically you can see the local numbers, you can see the test codes, you can see the members number and the ID and the name, first name and the last name. But a couple of features we have added to the reports, which we have done it to all the reports. One thing you can do is you can even create an Excel, export to an Excel, or you can do a PDF, or you can print this report. So these are the 3 major features we have added to our report section. So once you click on export to Excel, the same report that you're looking at the screen will convert to an Excel sheet. And once you click at the bottom, you can see that it got downloaded at the bottom, and you click on it and it will open up an Excel window, and the same report is converted to an Excel sheet, which you can share with your manager. You can save it, you can print it, you can do all sort of things with this report. Let's go ahead and close this. The second thing is, again, as the name says, PDF. You can PDF it. Again, it will download at the bottom, which you can go ahead and open up a separate window. You can download it, you can print it. And the last one is the print, where you can actually print the report with all the details. You can again save it as a PDF, you can print it, you can do anything you want. So basically, these are the features we have added on all our reports. One thing we have also done is you can save this report, because you want to, this is something, suppose you do it every single day, you can save a report. So all you do is you click on save and share, and you can click name your report name. So let's do it. It's new certifications. We know that we have this report, we needed this every day. And if you need to share with your other staff members in your local or any your manager, all you click is share with the users, and they should be able to access the same report too. So once you click create, it gets saved in a folder, and I'm going to show you which folder does it get saved to. And you can see these are all the breadcrumbs. So once you click back on the all folders, you will see created by me. That means it got saved with the new certifications report name created on April 26th. And you can see it got saved here. And if you have shared with your manager, they will be able to see under shared with me folder. So basically, if anybody share a report with you, you will be able to see it too. So let's go back to our all folders and click on WCP. And then we go back to our certifications folder. And the next one report we want to see is new confirmed. So you want to see how many certifications got confirmed this month or last month. So we're going to click on filter again, and we see that it's only showing new, and it's only showing the confirmed status. And you can pick not confirmed too, but since we are doing a confirmed report, we're going to go ahead and leave it like that. Then you can go ahead and again change the time frame. We're going to change it back to, this time we're going to do it 2 months. So let's do February till now. And let's see how many certifications got confirmed since February till now. So we can see, again, this is a test data. So we just can see only 3 certifications were confirmed. But this is how you can see or manage your reports. Again, we're going to go back to our breadcrumb. We're going to go back to our certifications folder, so we can see the third report. And again, you can see all the features that I showed you in the previous report. You will see all the features in all the reports. Let's go back to our certifications again. And the next one, you can see the name says new rejected, renewals created. I do want to show you the renewals created, because we do see lot of renewals all the time. So let's go ahead and look at this one. How many renewals were created in last 2 months? So let's click on that. And let's set up our filters. Again, show only renewals, and we're going to go ahead and change the time frame from, let's do it for January 1st till now, and click on filter. Again, I did not change any status, because confirmed status, you can make it changes. If you only want to see how many renews are confirmed, you can click here. Or you can change anything, how many were confirmed on particular date. So there's a lot of filters that you can arrange it according your needs. So basically that's how it is, but I'm leaving it just like that. And we're going to click filter, and you can see, again, this is a test data, so you don't see a lot, but you can see that in month of March, because that's when we start actually testing this environment, and then that's how many renewals were created. So these are the reports. You can always look it up, you can share it, you can print it, you can Excel if you need to. So let's go back and look at some other reports. So certifications, we went back to our breadcrumb certifications, or to our folder certifications. And one of the report that is very useful is about to expire. And when you click on about to expire report, so what, like the name says, about to expire. So there's a lot of times we would like to see how many certifications are going to expire this month or next month or this year, so we can notify our members, or the members would like to know when my or how many of my certifications are about to expire. So basically this is one of the report that's very useful. So once you click on that filter button again, you can see it will show any. Confirmed status is also any. It should be already confirmed, but it's pre-selected as any. And we are looking at the expired date, and our custom date range, we're going to try to select it. It's going to be our future date, because we want to see how many is going to expire by end of this year. So we'll go ahead and filter it out. Usually it is set up for a month apart, but you can always set up your own dates. So go ahead and select this, and we'll do it for December of this year. So it's 12/31/2023. So we know how many are about to expire. So go ahead and click filter. And you can see the expiration date for these test codes are going to be expiring in this month. So basically you can pull up the reports every month, and you can notify your welders or members, or you can even let them know that this is your certification is about to expire, so make sure you renew it before the expiration date. So this report is also helpful for that purpose. So let's go back to our certification folder again. The last report in our certifications folder is a master certification. Basically, this, as the name says, master certifications, you can see it will have all the filters coming up from the certification filter page, from where we get it from the welding program tab. So again, you can set it up accordingly, whatever you need to research it, either with the member search. You can even put the member number, and if you need to see a particular members and you need to get a report for a particular member, you can do all that basically. So let me just cancel it out, and these are the pre-selected filters, and you can see all the information again under a master certification. Basically all reports work the same way, except that you need to set up the filters and just see what exactly you're looking for, and then it will work. Let's go back to our WCP folder, because we don't have any other reports in our certifications folder. So we're going to go back to our WCP folder, and you can still see we have a CWI stamps folder too. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and then we have a report name with the CWI stamps. So let's click on that. So with the CWI stamps, there's a lot of time we want to see how many CWI or a certified welding inspectors that stamps is about to expire. So when you click on this filter, we can see it for right now. Of course, this is set up for the current date, but if we're going to go ahead and click on custom date range, and we're going to want to see how many, because we know it's a 3 years, every 3 years it gets expired. So we'll do it for the next year. So let's go ahead and click on this, and we're going to do it for December 31st, 2024. So we're going to see all our CWI or a certified welding inspectors their stamp is going to expire by this time. And the one option you can also, if you need to search a particular member or a CWI inspector, you can put the last name of that person, and then you can also look it up when their stamp is going to expire. So for right now, we're just going to go ahead and click filter. And you can see that these are our certified welder inspectors and welding inspectors, and you can see the expiration date for them, or their CWI stamps are right here on the last column. This is how you can notify your CWI inspectors and let them know that your CWI stamps are about to expire on this month or this year. So please make sure you renew it or send the documentation before the expiration date. So this is also one of our major reports that we have created. Let's go back to our WCP folder again. The next thing is the JATC, and let's click on that. So JATC, the first one, like the name says, is just give you the list of all the JATCs. You can see list of all the JTCs. You can also print it. You can export it in an Excel sheet, or you can print it. You can PDF it. So basically, you can do all that in there. There's nothing, not a lot of filters, but there is, like, if you have any particular local union you're looking for, you can see it. Or if there's inactive or active, that you can set up the filters accordingly. The next thing is our welder list, where you can see all the welder information or welder list information. So let's go ahead and click on the filter. And you can see that we have all the